Before you guys complain about my field, I know the field looks bad. So in today's video, I want to talk about access to market. How do I sell? Where do I sell? So what I normally do is that I advertise my product on Facebook, since it has a lot of people in my area, and a lot of my Facebook friends are people that are located in my village. So that's where I normally post and sell my chickens and sell my green pepper, sell my tomatoes. But with the tomato market, I didn't approach the Somalian guys, the guys who owns these puzzle shops right now in our country. Notes them like every corner. Give my friend. So I went to some of those guys and I told them I'm selling tomatoes, and yeah, they were willing to buy from me. So almost every week I go to different shops and I drop some tomatoes to them, and they will buy in a very good price. So today I also got another order. So here I was in my bed field. Before you tell me that it's bad, I know it's bad. So yeah, we are actually harvesting our last harvest. If not, in the next 2 weeks it's gonna be our last harvest probably. So we're still gonna make money out of this field, even though it looks bad, because our tomatoes are off season now. We will see it maybe next year. So how we actually package our tomato crate is that we don't package them in sizes. So any size goes in, as long as it's small, big, medium, and as long as it's ready, it goes in. So that's how I actually sell my tomatoes. I don't have a specific grade, say grade A, grade B. No, everything rocket. So we have filled our crate now. We are off to the market. Like I said, my friends from Pakistan, I went there to buy bread and he said that he wants tomatoes, so I came back and harvested. I'm now ready to go and sell the crate to him. So this crate I sell it for 100 rand. So let's go and make some coin now. Alright, so I was on my way to deliver with my new wheels. The Nissan 1400. This is our new workhorse, Papa. So yeah, we arrived at the store. It's just like down the street from my house. So we went there and actually deliver the tomatoes. At least there's one thing that I have my friend that said that's not expired. It's my tomatoes. Fresh. Look how nice they are. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. Tango.